What we have here is a frame for a Mitsubishi C5470NS, 14-inch CRT monitor going into a Mazak machine tool. We've already removed the CRT and the electronics, and this is all that's left over. Extra pieces of metal here on the sides can be removed, not needed. What we're going to be doing is quickly installing a Monitech LCD. So the removal of the electronics and the CRT took a whole 10 minutes. And now what we're going to be doing is installing a Monitech LCD, putting exactly where the CRT used to be. Okay, and the bolts get put on back on there, and the adapter cables are provided. They're not shown in this video, but adapter cables are provided. They just plug in the back, and you put it back in your machine. The frame gets mounted right here and here back into the machine, and you turn your machine back on. The alternative to this LCD upgrade kit is to take one of Monitech's replacement LCD monitors. In this case, it's in a flip frame. Comes in a nice small package, nice box, and the LCD flips up into place. One screw there and one screw on the other side, and the LCD is ready to go. The adapter cable is all set inside here, and there's a power supply that would be also provided. And once again, the mounting to the machine is right there and right there, and out of the box right in the machine, as little as 5 minutes. Very straightforward, nice simple design, and low cost for shipping with the small package that it comes in. And that's the replacement solutions from Monitech.